Sampai di Jepang selalu sibuk di pagi hari. Para petugas stasiun ini membantu para penumpang kereta dengan cara mendorong sekuat tenaga sampai pintu kereta bisa tertutup. Bisa kebayang ya guys, sumpahnya kayak apa di dalam kereta itu.
You know I'm mobbing with the D-O-double-G. Straight off the fucking streets of CPT. King up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Whoop, the field rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop, nigga, what? Dre and Snoop Chronic down in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clip in the strap, dipping through hoods.